好，今日係10月28號，咁咧10點43分啦，澳洲時間。今日我講嘅嘢就係、今個禮拜澳洲同加拿大都會有大選。咁咧，其實你嗰邊即係嗰兩黨嘅候選人咧，就唔使講噶啦。我就算點講咧，佢哋兩個都會投嘅，即係種種原因啦，即係投慣咗或者咩都好啦嚇。但係我淨係想講咧，我都想投一個類似 Doctor Shiva Ayyadurai 嘅人，但可惜澳洲同加拿大而家未有。咁咧，我淨係會喺選舉嗰度啦，我會投 No suitable candidate to follow my will，即係投白票啦嚇，或者廢票啦嚇。我淨係想即係同我 like mind 嘅人咧，就希望學我咁樣 No suitable candidate to follow my will，但係始終即係始終同我一路拉巴嘅人就即係佢始終覺得澳洲呢度啊，佢會撐Craig Kelly 嗰個 Libertarian 啦，或者 People First 啦，但係始終 People First 咧，雖然睇落去唔錯，但係咧佢呢個人咧 Gerald Winnick 咧就話過，佢唔想探究於1973年發生咗咩嘢事。佢有冇講過 Bill of Rights 咧？我未聽過佢講過 Bill of Rights。咁希望你各位糾正我啦嚇。咁但係始終佢係唔夠 Doctor Shiva 咁好嘅，佢冇講到話探究翻1973年所發生嘅事，就係、澳洲註冊咗變成一間上市公司，同埋改咗憲，同埋偷偷地改咗憲法，放棄咗原本嘅憲法。佢又唔去探究呢件事，咁我覺得呢樣有蠱惑啊呢個人。OK，咁加拿大嗰邊都係啦，咁就即係當然 People First 都睇落去唔錯，但係始終都係唔夠好嘅。咁但係最衰個咩Christopher Sky 佢又唔出嚟選，咁冇法啦。咁當然啦，希望各位即係 like mind 嘅加拿大人，無論你係華人定係咩都好啦，聽日投票嘅時候咧，最好就投 No suitable candidate to follow my will，明唔明白？呢個我嘅睇法，即係你可以唔使聽我講噶，明唔明啊？即係我姑姐都話明，都可能有呢個做法，因為我姑姐前幾晚同我傾偈，咁咧。我就想同你哋兩個澳洲同加拿大華人都講咧，你哋冇前途噶啦，你哋已經係無論你投邊個，即係嗰兩黨或者細黨都好啦，都係咧。即係你哋當然係，尤其是係投大黨嗰啲人咧，我話俾你聽，繼續投嗰兩個大黨啦，你人生係玩完噶啦，因為佢哋喺 Agenda 24之下咧，佢哋咧就會搞嗰啲即係。逼針令啊，15分鐘、20分鐘城市啊啲啊，咁同埋仲有就係佢，我喺澳洲最近發生嘅科目，喺呢一年發生科目事咧，已經證明咗咧，我哋嘅前途係好甚譽嘅。咁我俾你睇下啦嚇，其中我啲例子啦，例如 Gold Coast 嘅嗰個 Will Tax 啦，個即係風景稅啦。或者另一個城，或者我墨爾本外圍嗰個城市所話要收嘅即係600幾蚊去整車或者床車啦嚇。咁我而家就俾你睇其中一個啦嚇，Gold Coast 個 Wheel Tax 啦嚇。
Against the controversial Gold Coast view tax is intensifying this morning, with more than 200 residents gearing up to take to the streets this morning in a show of defiance. The levy sees rates for high-rise residents increase by up to 50% based on the floor they live on. But fired-up locals have made it clear they won't back down until the tax is scrapped. One of those locals is Chris Griffith, and he joins us live on the Gold Coast. Chris, you're going to be joining the march this morning. What are you hoping to achieve?
Good morning, Nat. I'm here with these magnificent Gold Coasters who got up at 5 or earlier this morning to come down here for this, which shows their passion and commitment to opposing the view tax. Today is a day that Council needs to look at its budget. This may or may not be discussed at today, but we want to show that there is continued ongoing a real sense of anger around this view tax, mostly because of how big it can be, like up to 50% of your rates in a year, but also because there's been a big breach of trust here. The council had an election, didn't tell anyone about their intentions of this. They had a secret meeting. They didn't tell people about it until they actually got their rates notice. So I think that's added a lot to the anger that they just don't feel they can trust the council.
Yeah.
So the march is at 10 o'clock, and we're encouraging people to come down to the Esplanade and Alcon Avenue at 10 and join in, and that will go to the council chamber building.
Look, it's
嗱，你頭先睇到啦，澳洲黃金海2月嘅時候，即係2-3個月前咧提出話要加嗰啲 council rate，即係嗰啲 real tax 咧，即係你越高嘅越住嗰啲 apartment， 即係嗰啲公寓咧，即係嗰啲層樓越高嘅話咧，佢收成你成50多收多一半嘅 council rate 嘅，比其他樓層，即係逐層計，逐層即係分層批嚟到計嘅，即係你越住越高咧，就要俾多一半，比其他俾多一半嘅 council rate， 即係英國嘅 council tax 啦嚇。咁咧，即係呢個海景稅咧，即係俗稱叫 real tax， 即係風景稅咧。其實係因為覺得澳洲政府因為嗰啲地方政府生意好似破產，咁佢哋用呢個方法嚟到掠稅。咁咧，我又俾你我而家一陣間我又會俾過咗呢個之後咧，我就會俾你睇下 KC 卡。我墨爾本市嗰度嗰個 KC Council 嗰度 KC 嗰地方，佢離譜到可以收取嗰啲喺自己屋企整車換油嘅人成200幾蚊或者400幾蚊嘅 permit， 即係牌費，甚至可以走嚟我屋企充。如果你覺得你儲藏得太多，即係冇牌照嘅車咧，佢可以嚟充公你架車嘅。咁講翻高斯道啦，咁高斯道咧就唔少退休人士嘅，咁咧佢目的就唔使講啦，都係好似即係想逼走晒，搞到啲老人家咧俾唔起啲 council rate 咧，要買一層樓去瞓街，或者去走去第二度，明唔明啊？咁呢個當然好過分啦。咁佢亦都係當然目的就係澳洲呢啲咁嘅地方政府做嘅目的，就希望即係我好似啲老人家，澳洲好多老人家咧。就搞到好似即係我喺台北市同埋首爾見到嗰啲老人露宿者，好多老人露宿者嘅嗰度瞓街嘅夜晚黑嗰度。咁我喺首爾上年年尾同埋今年年初喺台北市同埋首爾都見到唔少噶啦。咁我而家就俾你一個例子，就係 North Shore Sydney North Shore Council 嗰度，悉尼 North Shore 嗰度咧，又係加 council 咧，加到好離譜嘅。嗱，而家俾你睇。
Stop muttering and disrupting the meeting. Councillor Gunny.
I'll be very brief and say that we've got a impending rate rise coming, and to be shutting down revenue-generating activities from public assets, from council assets, is definitely counterproductive, and it's a contradiction to say that we have got a financial crisis and we're running out of money and we've got to raise everybody's rates.
嗱。呢個 Sydney North Shore 嗰度咧，就加成4成嘅，加到即係當然冇高咁加成5成咁啦個左右啦。咁咧呢個另一個例子 North Sydney 嗰度咧就加成8成7嘅，你話幾離譜啊？
North Sydney residents are planning a last-ditch appeal to the independent rates umpire called IPART after their local council voted for a whopping 87% increase. Now, the green light came despite immense and vocal opposition from ratepayers who loudly demonstrated at last night's meeting.
For years, he's maintained his neighbourhood's street-side reserves, but a sweeping rate hike has now disillusioned North Sydney's 2021 Citizen of the Year, Davey McDonald.
How do I feel now with this astronomic raise? Really disappointed, incredibly disappointed.
With his rates declined from $1,700 a year to more than $3,000, he was among the noisy demonstrators at last night's council meeting.
Unconscionable. This is complete overkill.
overkill.
Get Elon Musk!
It's an opportunistic cash grab and it is obscene.
Someone needs to get the boot.
At times, it descended into chaos and catcalling.
Order! I'm calling you to order. Again, I call you to order. Show some respect for those with whom you don't agree.
As Mayor Zoe Baker led a 7-3 vote to request an 87% rise over 2 years. First 45%, then 29%.
You know, I feel bad for the residents.
Those who voted no, rubbishing claims it's needed to pay for the renovation of North Sydney Pool.
That's only a very small portion of the 87%. The majority of the 87% is actually just putting money in the bank.
North Sydney's had big rate rises before. 22.5% over 3 years was approved back in 2019.
嗱，你睇到啦，整整可以加埋，即係喺4年之後加成8成7嘅。北 North Sydney 嗰度，即係北悉尼嗰邊有唔少華人住呢啲咁嘅，即係好靚嘅地方嘅，亦都有唔少華人住嘅。咁你加到8成7咧，我諗你遲早晚都要買咗層樓，你俾唔起嘅話咧，買一層樓翻去香港或者大陸㗎啦。咁嗰啲即係其他族裔嗰啲咧，就逼住要買層樓住嚟嘅地方，唔好彩嘅，又係好似我所見嘅，就搞到老年要瞓街，喺台北同埋首爾見到嘅情況。咁咧，我而家就 show 俾你睇 case 個離譜例子。
In Victoria, Casey, so Casey is a city in South Melbourne, includes Cranbourne, Clyde, Devon Meadows, Berwick and Narrewarren. Hopefully I pronounced that right. You need to apply for a private land use permit if you want to do certain activities on private land, so land that you own or someone else owns. You will have to apply for a private land use permit for the following activities: storing or repairing a recreational vehicle, storing a shipping container up to 90 days, storing long heavy vehicles. If you intend to park more than one long heavy vehicle on private land, you have to consult the planning team. Storing more than 2 unregistered vehicles up to 90 days, you need to apply for a private land use permit. Storing a skip bin, need to apply for a private land use permit. Putting up temporary dwellings, no more than 14 days in any 60-day period, and dismantling, repairing or dismantle, repair or service vehicles on private land, you'll need to apply for a private land use permit.
So this is, you own the land and you have to apply for
This
that.
is private land, so but this would be your home, your house, your land, whatever you have.
Right.
You'll need to apply for a private land use permit and be approved for that permit to do any of the following things.
That
嗱，你睇到啦，你要申請牌，你自己喺屋企自整車，幫人藏架車，即係幫你朋友啊，即係你啲舊車啊，啲乜都好啦。你要做呢啲嘢咧，你而家喺呢個 Case Council 嗰度咧，即係地方政府咧，要攞牌嘅。即係香港我明啊，呢啲地方地小合條地方我明啊，但係你呢啲墨爾本咁大地大物博嘅地方，你都要咁樣做，即係擺明係掠水，明唔明啊？即係你仲要俾650，你要俾成200蚊、400蚊到去幫你架車換油，甚至650蚊幫人哋儲藏架車。如果你唔俾呢啲錢咧，嗰啲 council 咧，地方市議會咧就可以充公你架車，走嚟充公你啲車，就要罰你款嘅。咁你話係咪掠水啊？呢啲係咪？你覺得冇問題嘅 ，OK 冇所謂。但係呢啲對於佢嚟講好慘啦，明唔明啊？啲人嚟講靠呢個嚟到揾食嘅人，明唔明啊？咁咧。而墨爾本咧最近咧都開始話，即係下個月咧就話會有個市中心話會有個15分鐘城市嘅研討委員會，即係反映出咧佢哋已經明目張膽到咧咁嘅地步啦。咁我就 show 俾你睇。嗱，你睇到啦，20分鐘城市啊，下個月咧就會開個研討會講呢樣嘢。 20分鐘城市已經公開明目張膽到咁嘅地步啦，已經係。咁即係反映出咧，佢哋加速咗呢個 Agenda 2030。就算阿 Trump 上咗台咧，佢一樣照加速嘅。所以咧，我已經係放棄咗支持阿 Trump。咁我希望 Dr. Xu 啊、Dewey 呢種人可以出嚟選，但係始終佢哋係唔會俾佢選嘅，最弊就係。咁咧，即係反映出咧，你無論喺香港定係你移民過嚟澳洲啊、加拿大、美國都好咧，你都係冇前途噶啦。喺 Agenda 2030之下，你 You own nothing and you're happy。除非你真係會反對呢啲。即係抗爭，去搞抗爭去對抗呢啲咁嘅不公同埋不荒謬兼唔合理嘅 Agenda 2030，即係15分鐘城市啊，你 climate change 嘅封鎖啊，年逼針啊，甚至你連去郊野公園都唔俾你去啊！正如頭先講話齋，你住屋嘅費用越嚟越加，你甚至你想自己做自己中意嘅嘢喺屋企度都要問政府攞牌，即係擺明人掠水都揸乾你為止。明唔明啊？咁你話啦，你再咁搞落去，你冇前途噶啦。咁你不如投下啲小黨、反逼針小黨，例如 Libertarian Party 啊、People's First 啊，同埋One Nation 都唔好搞啦，因為佢哋始終變晒質㗎，冇以前咁好啦，佢已經係。咁仲有咧，但係當然啦，有話 Ricardo Bossi 嗰個 Australian One 咧，就已經放棄咗，費事話已經即係放棄咗。佢話我無謂再玩落去啦，既然你個三選制度咁腐敗。又我明明參選，我夠票可以入選，你都可以搞到我選唔到嘅，咁不如我唔玩啦，或者我話齋投廢票啦。咁當然啦，呢啲係你嘅選擇啦嚇，即係如果你要揀繼續送嗰兩黨嘅，咁你走去呢個 Agenda 2030嘅，我都幫唔到你。但係嗰 like mind 嗰啲人咧，即係同類嗰啲人咧，我就即係當然勸你啦，即係你投廢票啊，乜都好啦，都要認清楚呢個事實，明唔明啊？咁同埋嗱，加拿大聽日咧，當然啦，我覺得選咗保守黨上去咧都冇用嘅，佢一樣會繼續呢個 Agenda 2030議題嘅，所以咧我就即係奉勸大家咧，就希望即係盡快醒覺，嗰啲唔醒覺嗰啲咧，我就無謂即係講咁多啦。OK， 咁即係當然啦嚇，希望我嘅去向咧就當然睇下選舉結果點啦嚇。如果選舉結果都仲咁失望嘅話咧，我諗下或者要翻我都要逼不得已翻香港，因為我老豆咧個而家健康情況麻麻地，所以我都要翻去照顧佢，或者過去日本或者泰國或者美國嘅 Westlake 嗰度，我起碼可以有條路去行嘅就係可以去賣氣槍喺日本、韓國或者台灣。你美國 Westlake 更加好啦，可以賣槍啊嘛，明唔明啊？你澳洲連玩氣槍嘅機會都冇啊！你玩 war game 機會啊？澳洲而家連呢樣嘢連日本、韓國、台灣、香港都不如啊！明唔明啊？咁即係當然今日講住咁多先啦嚇。咁我就但係話俾你聽，澳洲而家呢個實況，即係呢個月所發生嘅荒謬事，有咁荒謬嘅就係2023，即係呢5年嚟所發生嘅事啦，逼封城令啊，逼針令啊，前一排先爆咗話 Dan Andrews 我哋嗰個前省長 Dan Andrews 佢封城根據根本係冇嘅，係佢自己決定自己自把自為去搞嘅啫。咁咧當然啦嚇，呢啲當然好多我哋有唔少覺醒嘅人都知道唔妥啦。咁啲人當然仲唔醒啦，仲叫我哋話走啦，算啦，發生咗算啦。我哋係唔可以忘記㗎。你覺得冇問題就算啦嚇，你繼續啦嚇，你繼續覺得可以撐埋呢啲咁嘅人，呢啲咁嘅 World Economic Forum 嘅呢啲咁嘅政策啦嚇。咁當然啦 ，World Economic Forum 嗰條撚樣啦，嗰個死老嘢咧就走咗啦。但係佢取代佢嘅人啊，係前腳頭家啲總裁啊，佢話過啊，人類唔可以再免費用水啊，擺到明就係想渴死你呢班人啊，係 depopulation agenda 啊，所以我哋更加要反抗呢啲咁嘅呢 World Economic Forum 呢啲咁嘅不公，呢啲咁嘅畜生人渣機構嚟嘅，話俾你聽，你嗰啲唔清醒嘅人咧，我會 recommend 你去呢啲咁嘅World Economic Forum 呢啲咁嘅畜生人渣機構去做，啱晒你哋啊嚇 ！World Economic Forum 好睇得起香港人㗎，好睇得起香港㗎 係無藥，在中國都係佢模範嘅榜樣嚟㗎。唔信啊？我俾你睇下啦，啊！嗱，呢個畜生機構啊，自己認咗啊，話香港係佢哋其中一個最睇得起嘅地方啊！有嗰個 Economic Forum 有個調查啊，話香港嘅公共交通係全世界最好之一啊，所以啊，你啲港豬啊，唔好話港豬啊，港洋啊，你哋會好開心噶嘛，係咪先嚇？咁睇起你呢啲咁嘅人渣畜生機構嚇，佢哋呢啲咁嘅幫呢啲做呢個機構做嘢人啊，我鬼唔望你哋啊嚇！哼，我應該講咩咧嚇？我又唔可以講嗰3個字，我淨係可以話，希望你子孫滿堂啦嚇。反正你哋眼中，我哋呢啲咁嘅中產或者呢啲咁嘅草根階層，死係不斷咁死噶嘛，係死唔去噶嘛，係死不完噶嘛。你呢啲唔可以死噶嘛，係咪啊？畜生人渣。咁我今晚講咁多先啦。咁我諗下下集有咩議題好講咧？我一定會拍段片講關於我呢5年所發生嘅一切。你睇住嚟啊嚇！我一定會拍一段片或者一個 live， 將我列為呢5年最荒謬嘅一切講出嚟。如果你哋覺得可以接受嘅話咧，World Economic fuck up 呢啲咁嘅畜生機人渣機構咧，就啱你哋做啦。係咁多先啊！